Hello. I'm not very good at starting these videos, but in this one we're going to talk about functions in Python. It's going to be very quick. I'll just show you a function, kind of like a basic idea of it. So we're going to create just a very simple hello world program. So let's just start with that. So let's just define our function. We're going to call it hello world. And we're going to print out just a hello world, right? This is a very generic programming start. Usually the first program you write. So now I'll show you here. If we try to run this, nothing shows up, which sucks, right? So the reason it's not showing anything is because we create our function, but now we have to actually call our function. So it's pretty simple. You just type in the function name and then parentheses afterwards, and then when we run it, hello world, bada boom. And if you're interested in learning more about functions, I can go into greater detail and make a full-length video about it. So let me know in the comments. Alright, bye.